Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 11th, Monday morning, and sorry for the delay in getting this information out to you here this morning. We had a severe storm come by and knocked our power out for a little bit. But the markets are active here this morning. The dollar up sharply. We've got it very near critical resistance area around 76.50. If we take that out here today, I'm sure we'll see some more buying and probably buy stops above that level. So far, we've taken out the 100-day moving average and caused that market to jump sharply as well. The crude oil down 150, taking off a lot of the strength that it put on Friday. Stock indexes are lower to sharply lower here this morning. Some of the reason for this sharp move in these outside markets is the Greece and Italy financial situation, talking about default again in Greece, talking about the tight situation in money flow there in Italy. That's got some problems. And also we had a very hot CPI index come out of China here over the weekend, suggesting that we've got they will have to do some more tightening of interest rates in order to get the that inflation under control. We've also got a stalemate and in the U.S. budget extension talks. That continues to cause nervousness by traders as well. So a lot of outside influences here affecting grain trading here this morning. Weather conditions around the Midwest, storms of course moving across the northern Midwest here today, giving some moisture. We've got some warm temperatures coming behind it. Pretty much what the doctor ordered here for ideal conditions for the corn crop. Some of the longer-term forecasts are drying things out later on in July and August, and that could actually cause some problems for soybeans. So we'll have to watch that soybean market very closely as well as we move forward here. We've got a USDA crop production number out tomorrow morning. We've got supply-demand numbers coming out tomorrow morning at 7:30. That ahead of that report, we could see some position evening here. We could see some profit taking, as many of those numbers are expected to be a bit on the bearish side, or let's say larger than what they were last month, because of the adjustments that the USDA will need to make because of the June 30th acreage number and the quarterly stocks numbers that we had on June 30th. Those numbers will have to be calculated into the supply-demand equation in this coming report. Also, the technical action is causing some movement here in the market and causing some volatility. We had December corn, which is kind of our lead contract right now. The 640 area in December corn was a 100-day moving average, or right near the 100-day moving average, and also downtrend resistance comes across at that level. So we ran up, tested that area overnight, and then failed. So we've got to watch that level very closely. November beans closed on Friday above the 100-day moving average. Then this morning we've fallen below that level again. So technical traders are going to be monitoring this market very closely here today as well. Over in the livestock, cutout value there. Select was up 54. Choice was down 48. The cash market was stronger on Friday, jumped anywhere from $3 to $5 in some cases. Packers had to come out and pay up for cattle again, and some of that strength was because of the strength that we see in the futures market earlier in the week. Pork cutout values were up just slightly, and cash markets were lower. We've got the hot temperatures ahead of us here for a few weeks. That could slow down growth rate. Should see the dress weights continue to slide in the pork complex, which tightens up the meat supply and add some support underneath the market. So we've got some volatility here today. Expect the market to be very jumpy in all the livestock markets as well as in the grains. Stay in touch with Allendale Research. We're happy to help you get through this, and we'll definitely be back with you tomorrow morning to give you the update on the USDA report. So have a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.